What's up, guys? I got a southern dish coming straight to your table today. I got 2 Duroc tomahawk pork chops here. We're going to be brining in some southern sweet tea. All right, to start off with, before we can get this brine together, we have to make our sweet tea. So we're going to start out with 4 cups of water. We're going to bring it to a boil, and then we're going to add 3 family-sized tea bags to it. Cut the heat off, cover it, and let it steep for about 10 minutes. So while our tea is getting ready, let's go ahead and cut up our vegetables and our citrus. So we've got our vegetables cut up. Our tea has steeped for 10 minutes. Now we're gonna make that tea sweet. So we do that by adding 1.5 cups of brown sugar. I'm gonna leave the ingredients and all that in the description. We're gonna add in some kosher salt. That was 2 tablespoons of kosher salt and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Now we're gonna give this a stir. Keep stirring it until it's completely dissolved. All right, we're gonna move that out of the way. I got 4 cups of ice right there. We're gonna take our tea, pour it over the ice to cool it down some. Just stir it around until this ice melts. And while that's melting down, we're gonna add in our 1 sliced onion and our 4 cloves of garlic. Our jalapenos. We're gonna squeeze our limes or lemons and our oranges in there. All right, we're gonna add the rinds of all this stuff in here as well. While our ice is melting up and our flavors are melding together, let's get our Duroc pork chops ready to go. So you also wanna set aside 2 cups of that marinade before you put that Duroc pork in this marinade. This is a huge 2.5 gallon marinade bag here. It's gonna work out perfectly for what we got going on here. Throw your chops in first. Go in with our marinade here. Throw the rest of our rinds in there. Oh yeah. Seal it up, and we'll see y'all in 24 hours. So it's been 24 hours, and we're gonna get these pork chops out here. We've got our grill fired up right there, starting up our charcoal. And we wanna let these rest for about, I don't know, a half hour. So I'm gonna be into some time management. You just wanna dry off these really well. Let them sit for 30 minutes. And speaking of time management, after we get these dried and they're sitting and our coals are heating up, remember our reserved liquid? We're gonna stick that on the stove, bring it to a boil, then turn it down to a simmer, and we're gonna reduce it by half. So remember that was 2 cups, so we're gonna reduce it until it gets to about 1 cup. And as you can see, I probably look a little bit different because management decided that she wanted to trim some of the beard off. She said, you know, a little bit, and it ended up being, it was past my belly button, so we're talking it was down here. It was ridiculous. I think she needs to be strung up.
Try it.
We're gonna throw a little bit of sugarberry on here for some little bit of smoke. Put our grill grates on, let it get heated up. All right, I've heated these grill grates to about 500 degrees-ish. Spray these grates with a little duck fat. We're gonna have to watch this one. That one's gonna get done quick. All right, we'll go about 1.5 minutes, then we'll rotate them. All right, we got these seared up good.
You gonna tell us what your target temp is?
Yep. 145 is what I'm gonna be looking for here. This one right here I'm worried about because we're already at 123 there. 114 there. All right, so we just gotta watch that little one. This is gonna be ready first. So we're up to temp. We've been resting about, I don't know, 10-15 minutes, taking some pictures or whatnot. We're about ready to give this bad boy. I'm just gonna go cut. Seeing how this is already falling apart here, we'll just stick that off to the side. All right, let's go. See if you can see it here. Oh yeah. There we go. It's nice and moist inside. Let's give her a go. Oh my goodness. Hang on a second. So most people wouldn't think of using sweet tea as a brine, but I'm telling you, it infuses into the meat, making it juicy and flavorful. Gotta try a sweet tea. All right, guys, Southern sweet tea brine tomahawk pork chops done on the PK grill. Do it.